I'm gonna need some help eating this little burger. So I got some tweezers for that. This burger may be small, but it's really delicious. Lily, now it's your turn. This smells great. Delicious, but there's something missing. I'm gonna need to add some sauce. Oh yeah, this is much better. But I think I need to add even more of my favorite ketchup to this burger. Yummy! But that's not enough for me. Why not dip it into a whole thing of sauce? Oh yeah, I like this. Why do you need that much ketchup?